Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how can you set up the Streamlabs OBS interface. So I have already done a video on how can you download and set up Streamlabs OBS. So if you didn't watch it, go and check out it. Now let's jump into the video. So first of all, you need to go to Streamlabs OBS. So I have already done that. So after that, this is the interface that you see. So first of all, you can see mini feed. This mini feed means the subscriber count, so the people who have subscribed my YouTube channel. So you can adjust the size of the this is project panel like in OBS. So after that, you can see this this is the sources place. So here you should add the source. After that, this is the seed. So next, when you click right over here, you can see this is the chat, the live chat. So you can see I'm now offline because I'm not going live in YouTube. So you can see how much viewers. So if you have a big monitor, like think you have dual monitors and you are playing the game in the main monitor and you have the Streamlabs in the big other monitor, so you can add this application to the other screen. So it's like a kind of a advantage. So after that, first of all, you can customize the interface. Go to the layout editor, and after that you can see how do I have the editor display in the top part, and after that I have the mini feed. It means the subscriber count, and I have the scene selector right over here, and I have the source selector, and I have the audio mixer. So you can even change this like dragging like this, and also you can have the other layouts like mini feed like that, and also you have some others. You can check make as your preference. So this is good for me. Now I'm going to click save changes. Okay, so now we have this. So if you don't want the live chat, you can just close from here. Okay, so after that, to add the game screen, you can click the plus mark right over here, and you can see welcome to sources, browse through our standard and widget sources. I can't read that. Okay, so after that, you don't need to read this, because like if you're very professional streamer, you can use this, but I don't know how that works. So in this part only we need. So to capture a game, you need to click game capture, and after that you can click add source, and after that you can rename. So I'm going to keep it like game capture, and you need to click add source. So after that, there are some settings mod, and you need to like make some settings, but I don't make any settings. So after that, if you don't need to capture the cursor, you can close this, and after that you can make the changes, but I'll click capture cursor and I'm going to click done. So after that, you can see now it's looking for a game capture. So now you can see it has automatically capture my Minecraft screen. So if your PC doesn't capture a specific game, so you can click plus icon and go to display capture, and after that click add source, and you can give a name, and you can select the monitor that you want. If you have dual monitors, then you can see. But I don't need an external other display capture, so I'm going to remove. You can right click on the source and you can remove it and click OK. So after that, you can see I have already prepared the Minecraft, and you can play the game. So you can see this is the my game is loading right now. So after that, if you add a webcam, you can like keep it apart. You can click this one, and after that you can see it has an option called video capture device. So you can click it, and also there are some capture cards, but I don't have an capture card, so I'm going to click add source, and you can see you can give a name, and when you click add source, it asks for a webcam. So I don't have a webcam right now, so I'm going to click cancel. But if you have webcam, you can select from here and after that click done. So I don't have webcam, so I'm just going to keep it like over there. And again I'm going to remove the webcam, so if I don't have it, and after that when you play the game, it automatically, yeah, so that's okay, and you can see how is the screen. But when you're going live, you don't see the taskbar and the crossbar, and that's it. So it feels like you're recording in a full screen application. And right over here the mixer, you can see this is the desktop audio, and this is the mic and aux. I don't know what's aux, I know only mic. So you can adjust the volume like this, and after that also you can go to the settings mark and add some filters or like things, add filter, and you can add a noise suppression like that, and after that it's like too much quiet. So same as OBS but a little bit different. Okay, so that's it. So I'll bring another video on how can you go live, and also even you can record the screen like OBS. So this is like same as the OBS. And also when you go to the settings icon right over here and go to stream, you can see stream destinations. In YouTube you can see work with Adi, that's my YouTube channel. So now I can go to stream in my YouTube channel. So and also the hotkeys, this is the main thing. So you can add the keyboard shortcut. So for start a stream, I'm going to add Control plus S. So you can see if I click Control plus S, I can start a stream. So again I'm going to Control S, it means I can stop a stream. And after that you can add the other things. So I'm just going to click done. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. So if you learned something new, hit that like and subscribe button, and also comment for more videos. In the next video I'll try to bring how to stream from OBS, and also the how to go live from Streamlabs OBS in your YouTube channel. Okay, so then until next time.